Components of Paint Window. Let us learn about the various components of Paint Window. Tools group, Shapes group, Size, Title bar, Colors group, Ribbon, Drawing area. Tools group. This group contains different tools such as pencil, eraser, brushes, fill with color, etc. Colors group. This group contains different colors to make your drawing colorful. Shapes group. This group contains shapes such as line, rectangle, curve, triangle, etc. Size. It is used to change the thickness of the selected tool. Drawing area. It is a blank area where you can draw and color. Ribbon. It is a long horizontal bar with commands. Title bar. It is a long horizontal bar on the top of the paint window. It contains several buttons and the title of the file.